The Maruti Suzuki Celerio is one of the most popular hatchbacks in the Indian automobile market, known for its fuel efficiency, affordability, and reliable performance. Since its introduction, the Celerio has gained a loyal customer base, offering an ideal combination of practicality and innovation. Designed to cater to urban commuters and small families, the Celerio has evolved over the years to incorporate advanced features, improved styling, and better fuel economy, making it a preferred choice for budget-conscious buyers. The Celerio made its debut in 2014, replacing the A-Star in Maruti Suzuki's lineup. What set it apart was the introduction of the auto gear shift (AGS) technology, making it the first affordable car in India to offer a clutchless automatic transmission. This innovation was a game-changer in the hatchback segment, providing the convenience of an automatic while maintaining the fuel efficiency of a manual transmission. Over time, the Celerio has received multiple updates, including a new generation model with enhanced features and improved design. One of the standout aspects of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio is its compact yet practical design. The exterior styling is modern and appealing, with a curvy design language that gives it a fresh look. The front grille, large headlights, and sculpted bumper contribute to a dynamic presence on the road. The latest generation model has been refined further, incorporating a more aerodynamic shape, stylish alloy wheels, and contemporary LED elements that enhance its premium appeal. Despite its compact footprint, the Celerio offers a surprisingly spacious cabin, making it a practical choice for city driving. Inside the cabin, the Maruti Suzuki Celerio provides a comfortable and functional space. The dashboard layout is simple yet ergonomic, with well-placed controls and good visibility for the driver. The quality of materials used is decent for this segment, and the seats offer good support for both short and long drives. The Celerio comes with a touchscreen infotainment system in higher variants, which includes smartphone connectivity features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This addition enhances the overall user experience, allowing drivers to access navigation, music, and calls seamlessly. Other features such as keyless entry, push-button start, and steering-mounted controls add to the convenience and make the Celerio feel more premium. Under the hood, the Celerio is powered by the efficient K-Series petrol engine, which is known for its refined performance and excellent fuel efficiency. The latest model is equipped with a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder dual-jet engine that delivers improved power output and mileage. This engine is designed to offer a balance of performance and economy, making it ideal for daily commuting. The Celerio also offers both manual and auto gear shift (AGS) transmission options, catering to different driving preferences. The AGS variant, in particular, has been widely appreciated for its smooth operation and convenience in traffic conditions. Fuel efficiency has always been one of the strongest selling points of the Celerio. The latest model continues this tradition, offering an impressive mileage figure that makes it one of the most economical cars in its segment. The combination of lightweight construction, aerodynamic design, and fuel-efficient engine ensures that owners get the best possible savings on running costs. Additionally, Maruti Suzuki offers a factory-fitted CNG option for the Celerio, further enhancing its appeal among budget-conscious buyers looking for an even lower cost of ownership. In terms of safety, the Maruti Suzuki Celerio has seen significant improvements over the years. The latest generation comes with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-speed alert system as standard features. Higher variants also offer additional safety features such as hill hold assist in the AGS version, improving stability on inclines. While the Celerio meets the basic safety standards required for its segment, Maruti Suzuki has been working towards enhancing the structural integrity of its cars, making them safer for occupants. Driving the Maruti Suzuki Celerio is a pleasant experience, especially in urban conditions. The light steering, compact dimensions, and good visibility make it easy to maneuver through traffic and tight parking spots. The suspension is tuned for comfort, absorbing most road imperfections effectively. While the Celerio is not a performance-oriented car, it delivers adequate power for city driving and occasional highway trips. The AGS version, in particular, adds to the ease of driving, especially in stop-and-go traffic, where constant gear changes can be tiring. One of the key factors contributing to the Celerio's success is its affordability and low maintenance costs. Maruti Suzuki has an extensive service network across India, ensuring that spare parts and servicing are easily accessible and reasonably priced. The brand's reputation for reliability and after-sales support further enhances the ownership experience, making the Celerio a hassle-free car to maintain. Additionally, Maruti Suzuki offers attractive warranty and service packages, giving buyers peace of mind in the long run. The resale value of the Maruti Suzuki Celerio is another advantage for buyers. Due to its strong brand reputation, fuel efficiency, and wide market demand, the Celerio retains its value well over time. This makes it a smart investment for those looking for an affordable and dependable car that offers good returns even after years of use. The availability of certified used Celerio models in Maruti Suzuki's True Value program further highlights its popularity in the pre-owned car market. Maruti Suzuki has always focused on offering a variety of variants to suit different customer needs, and the Celerio is no exception. The hatchback is available in multiple trims, each offering a distinct set of features to cater to various budgets and preferences. From the base variant, which covers essential features, to the fully loaded top-end model with premium additions, there is a Celerio for every type of buyer. The CNG variant also expands its appeal to those looking for an even more economical driving option. Competition in the compact hatchback segment is fierce, with models like the Hyundai Santro, Tata Tiago, and Renault Kwid offering strong alternatives. However, the Maruti Suzuki Celerio has managed to maintain its position as a preferred choice due to its fuel efficiency, affordability, and trusted brand name. Maruti Suzuki's ability to continuously update the Celerio with modern features while keeping costs in check has helped it stay ahead of the competition. The Maruti Suzuki Celerio is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and budget-friendly hatchback. Its combination of practicality, easy maintenance, and smart features make it a well-rounded car for daily use. Whether it's for first-time car buyers, small families, or those looking for an economical second car, the Celerio fits the bill perfectly. With its proven track record and continuous improvements, the Celerio remains a top contender in the affordable hatchback segment, offering excellent value for money. Maruti Suzuki's commitment to innovation and customer satisfaction ensures that the Celerio continues to evolve with changing market demands. As fuel efficiency, affordability, and low maintenance costs remain key priorities for buyers in India, the Celerio is well positioned to remain a popular choice in the coming years. With its latest updates and future potential, it is clear that the Maruti Suzuki Celerio will continue to be a strong player in the small car segment, meeting the needs of budget-conscious consumers who seek reliability and efficiency in their daily commute.